Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeploy your GitHub pages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go and create your pages on GitHub. And simply you can do that by going to the settings, and from here you will find the pages for GitHub. And basically here you will find the built-in deployments. And of course you will need just to make it to leave it as deploy from a branch. And here you can specify the branch that you would like. So either it will be the main branch or whatever. And from here you can choose which page that you would like, etc. Now you can save, and from here you will be able to start deploying your page. And basically now all we need to do is just to start committing the changes, and basically you will find your pages that will be redeployed. That means whenever you are doing any changes on your repository or on your pages here on GitHub, or when you push any changes, they will be automatically deployed into your pages. So that means you don't need like to delete or unpublish your pages and then redeploy them. All, all you can do is simply go to the page that you want to change. For example, this get ignore or whatever was the page and HTML page, etc. And basically you would be able just to go to it and simply you can edit it from your local repository, and then you will be able to start committing the changes by pushing the changes from your local repository to your remote repo. So basically, those were the steps on how to redeploy or republish your changes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.